Hi, I'm Pete Brown from Clevertouch. Today I'm going to talk about Clevershare. Clevershare is a way of wirelessly casting your devices to the Clevertouch screen. We've been making Clevershare for quite a while now, but we've just actually updated it to give it a lot of new features. So I'm going to get into them in a second, but I'll show you now how to connect your devices on Clevershare. If you have a laptop or a Mac and you want to download the software, simply go to clevertouch.com, go to the software section, and the latest app is ready to download. If you have a tablet or a phone, just go to the conventional app stores and download the app from there. I'm actually sharing my desktop here, so you'll see what the app looks like when it's open. All it's got is 6 lines. In Clevershare, we've got 6 numbers. So as long as my device is on the same network as the Clevershare, I can just open up the app, I can type in that 6-digit number, press start mirroring, I'm up to the screen. So that's one way of doing it. What you can also do is we have an advanced code mode. Now what that is a way of connecting to the screen on dual modes, so dual networks. So I can press this button, it will change it from a 6-digit number to a 9-digit code, giving it more encryption. You can then have potentially a corporate network and a subnet of that, which could be a guest network, where people can walk in and connect on both networks. There's a document out there we've got that can actually help you set that up. So if you need that information, give us a shout on that. I'm going to put it back to 6 at the moment, back to 6. There are other ways of connecting to the screen. If you don't want to put a network at all, we've got a hotspot built into the screen. So you could put your device on a hotspot, put the screen on the hotspot, and connect to the screen with no network involved at all. The other option we've got is it supports Chromecast and AirPlay. With a swipe button there, we'll actually make that live. So it means if you've got natively AirPlay or Chromecast on your device, you can just connect to the screen without even using the app. So let's connect a couple of devices. So if I go across to my laptop now and type in that number 233037, what that does, it takes me to the front page of this. It gives me 2 options. The first option is start mirroring. The second option is desktop synchronization. Now what we do first of all is just mirror to the screen. If I press start mirroring, it gives me the option. Do I want to share my whole desktop, or do I want to share a particular document or file? Say for instance, I want to just put up a PowerPoint presentation, but I still want to work on my laptop at the same time, you can do that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my complete desktop and mirror that up to the screen, and you'll suddenly see my laptop's up there. But what you can do with this new firmware is you can actually have up to 6 devices on the screen at one time and split screen. So say for instance I wanted to have a Mac up here. Suddenly I've got a Mac on the screen. If I then want to have another laptop, I could have a laptop, now I've got 3 devices. And then a tablet, I wanted to connect the tablet to the screen, I've suddenly got 4 devices. And if even this tablet I've got in my hand here, if I wanted to connect this to the system, I could say Clevershare, type in that number, 233037, and I could then stick up an image of me in the pub, which I don't do anymore. Also what you can do with the app, if you've got it on a tablet or a phone, you don't have to just show images up there. Say for instance you wanted to have a document